Hey, what's up guys? So to start off making the chevron burlap wreath, you're going to turn your wreath ring upside down, just like that. You're going to take your burlap and you are going to take it through and loop it around the first wreath ring, the inner ring. So you're just going to take it through just like that. And then you're going to glue it down, and it's going to make your first loop. As you can see, that makes the first loop. And then you're going to take the burlap and make another loop that goes through the second and third ring and the third and fourth ring. So you'll have 3 loops. Take this one through there. And through the last one. You want to try to make them as even as possible. If they're not 100% even, that's okay. But as you can see, just like that. And then you're going to scrunch them all together. Just like that. And then you're going to turn. Just like twist it a couple of times, and then you're going to go back and do the same thing. Just like that. And again, you're going to squish it one more time and keep going. So when you come to the end of your first burlap roll, you're just going to turn it over and glue it down. You can tuck it, you can tie it in a knot, but I just use a hot glue gun just because it seems a little easier for me. And you are all done. Alright, so now we are going to add the red accent ribbon. To start off, just going to pick an edge of your wreath and just tuck it around just like we started with the burlap and glue it down. So, just tuck it in just like that and glue it down. And you're just going to start pulling it through any open section. You can open spaces and pull the ribbon through. So I'm just going to go with this space since it's right here. Turn it over. And just work the ribbon all the way through. Just like that. Okay. So it's going to look just like that. You just keep pulling it through at random spots. There's no specific science to it, just however you like it.
Every so often I like to twist it just so it doesn't unravel once it's on the wall or anything.
I'm going to cut the ribbon. Same as with the burlap. Cut it and then you can either tuck it, you can tie it in a knot, or you can glue it. I'm just going to glue it down. Alright, and there you have it. You can add more accent ribbon, less. I'm also going to use some of this ribbon to make a nice pretty bow to go on the wreath, but just play around with it. Alright, so then we're just going to put the bow on right in the center. Just like that.